of this room. They call it the honeymoon suite.
Oh, Roger, it's beautiful.
Oh, I wonder who that could... Oh, sorry. Wonder who that could be now.
You get that, Roger. I'm going to slip into something more comfortable.
Moves to phone. Yes, Minister? What? I'll be there as soon as I can. Trouble, but how? Holy Toledo!
Sir, Explosion, we meet again.
Buto, my old enemy. I'd let you go if I were her.
Yes, but you're not me, Explosion, and that is just the way I like it.
Roger, he's got a grenade.
Aye!
My God, Explosion, it's lucky you weren't killed.
Duh. All part of the job, Admiral Koenig. What did he say?
Goodbye, Prime Minister.
What did he say?
Explosion. What do you know about the bacteria syndrome?
Only that the Soviets have been developing it since the Cold War, and that if it escapes into the atmosphere, it'll destroy the ozone layer because it's extremely poisonous, and without salt water, it will continue to do its dirty work.
Exactly. Buto.
Yeah. Buto!
What's this got to do with Buto?
I know. What's this got to do with Buto?
He's stolen the bacillus.
Aye!
He's hijacked an atomic aircraft carrier and was last seen with Ethel at these coordinates.
Don't worry, Minister, Admiral. I, Roger Explosion, am on the case.
Goodbye, Explosion.
Goodbye, Explosion, and Godspeed. Must get Buto and recover atomic aircraft carrier and neutralize bacteria syndrome in salt water, thus saving ozone layer and Ethel.
You'll never get away with this, Buto. You hear me? Never.
Never's a very long time, baby. And don't think that your precious Roger Explosion will save you either. There was enough TNT in that grenade to blow him to hell and back.
It'll be a cold day in hell before that freezes over, Buto.
Explosion?
Take this! Get him! Not as horrible as not having any ozone layer, baby. Quick, let's get out of here. This place is gonna blow.
Well, Explosion, the free world owes you another debt of gratitude.
The Prime Minister wants to thank you in person.
I'm afraid I can't. I have a honeymoon to attend to.
Oh, Roger.
Cheers.
Cheers!